Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got like this little green, I'm going to say it's springtime-ish look, you know what I'm saying? But before we go ahead and jump into it, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much in advance. But anyway, let's just go ahead and get started. So we're going to be using the Makeup Revolution pencil. This is in the shade Deep Brown, and I've been using a light hand lately. It's just kind of, y'all know I try new things. But anyway, you just want to go ahead and fill in your brows. From there, you're going to go ahead and clean them up with some concealer. As you guys can see, I did put down some setting powder on my brows first. And then I went in with the pencil. But you don't have to. I just decided to try it today to see if it made a difference. So this is the concealer portion that I am doing. I am just cleaning up my brows. I'm using the Maybelline. It's in the shade 146. It's the Instant Age Rewind. I have to say this in every video because I realized that I do have newcomers. Hey newbies, how y'all doing? I realized I do have newcomers, so I just want to make sure everybody's on the same page. Once I've blended out the concealer, I'm going to go in with some Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer. You guys know this is the only primer that I use on my eyes, but I prime my lids really good, and then I go ahead and go in with my eyeshadow. So here's a fun fact. So this morning I decided I wanted to do glitter, but then I was like, oh my goodness, the glitter's purple, and y'all know I always do purple, so I was like, let me not. So I decided to do an orange, but it looked yellow, and I had to take it all off. So I'm gonna be moving kind of fast doing my eyeshadow, but that's just because I'm super frustrated and I'm running late. So hopefully you guys can keep up. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's do it. So the palette that I'm using for this, I initially started out with the Card Beauty. Like I said, y'all, I had to take all of it off. It was bad. But anyway, just get any type of brown that you would like, and then from there, I'm just going in with a little bit of a deeper shade brown, and then we're gonna go in with black. Those should be able to be found in any palette that you have. Normally they come with the bases. They'll come with like a brown and a black, so it's not really, palette specific, my bad. Oh my goodness, did I still say it wrong? I don't know, y'all know what I'm talking about. But anyway, yeah, just do your brown and a black, do a nice little build up on that, work that in there. This is gonna be super quick because y'all, I was for real running late. Like, I'm happy the way it came out, but your girl was running super late. By the way, this has to be like one of my favorite methods of doing a cut crease look. So basically what you do is you take two colors. You take one that's like a light and then a medium. And then you can go in on top with the shimmer. If you want to, you can do a light, medium, and dark and then go on top with the shimmer. It's really up to you, but this is like the way that I learned to do cut creases, and I absolutely love it. It works for any type of color. Just do your light, medium, dark, and then bam, pop on a shimmer or a matte shadow, and you are good to go. I'll try to show you guys in my next video how I actually learned how to do it and the best technique to do it, because I know sometimes it can kind of be difficult when I'm explaining to really understand what I'm talking about. But if you guys watch the video, it kind of goes into it. So you guys see me do like a light, a medium, and then go into a dark. Okay, I'm over talking, so I'm going to be quiet now and let you guys finish watching the movie. Okay, so what you guys see me just do, I cut my crease with my Anastasia Beverly Hills primer, the same one that I went in and kind of built up the eyeshadow with. This primer, like, I don't know, just something about it just helps make my colors pop. I know a lot of people always ask me, like, how you get your colors to pop on your skin? Here it is. That is the secret. That is what I do. So the eyeshadow you guys see me using, this is from the Lick and Lash palette. I think they're Lick and Lash Beauty on Instagram, but it's from their palette. And I don't know if it's from the Flamingo palette. Yeah, I totally believe it's from the Flamingo palette. but I'm just using that green out of there. And they also have like this pretty white, but the white just kind of shows up as like a greenish shimmer, like it has like a little green tint to it. So I absolutely love that. So I put that on the inner corners, and then I added some green to the outer edges as well, just to kind of make that a smooth transition. Okay, so my eyes are as best as they're gonna get right now. Like I told you, I was in a rush. We got to hurry up and get in and out the dough. The shimmer is on my face, so I'm wiping that off with a little wet wipe. That's the only thing. You always have fallout when you work with shimmer. I mean, I know some professionals that do it. I mean, I salute you, but I am not one of those. So I do what I can when I can. But anyway, this is the Becca primer that we're gonna prime our face with, and then from there we're gonna be going in with our Maybelline. I'm sorry, I lied. Our L'Oreal foundation. It's infallible wear. It's in the shade 525. That is my personal shade. And then we're also going to be trying these Kylie Cosmetics, what do you call that, concealers. So I actually tested those out today as well. I actually like the concealers, surprisingly. I think they're really really good. So they're on sale at Ulta for $5. Of course I had to get my own before I let y'all in on the deal, but yes, they are on sale at Ulta for $5.
These are the
So if
Ari
you guys
Jane
just want
Beauty
to try it, I
lashes
mean,
in the
something
style
cheap.
Seduction.
You're not wasting any
One
money
of
by
my
trying them. Favorite lashes, like I just feel like they just make your eyes just pop. And I got so many compliments on my eyeshadow today, which is weird because it was rushed. But anyway, yeah, these are the lashes, and I've had a couple people tell me that they are super comfortable. I like them. I'm used to wearing lashes though, but people who don't normally wear lashes, they've told me that they're super comfortable, which is amazing. If you have a pair, please leave me some reviews, y'all. Come on, help your girl out, okay? Especially if you're feeling them right now. So definitely do that. And then I know one of the young ladies, she buys so many damn lashes for me, it is ridiculous. But she's to the point that she don't even want to mess with the short shorts no more. She ready for those long thick things. So seduction may be for her next. Okay, so once I have everything blended out, I'm going in now with my Makeup Revolution, Revolution, Revolution. There we go, Makeup Revolution setting powder, and this is in Banana Deep. Now, y'all keep on asking me to try this setting powder, honey. I was not a fan of it at first, but at the end, I think it came out pretty good. I did have to do a lot of blending. Now, mind you, this portion right here is not even me baking. This is supposed to be melting into my skin. Do you see how hard I have to press? Okay, this is me supposed to be setting, and it is just, whew, y'all see what happened. But I made it work. Okay, so to set my face, the remainder of my face that was not highlighted with the powder, I'm going in with my, what is this? The Lip Bar pressed powder, and it's in the shade Brown Sugar Babe, and I am just setting this all into place, even setting that contour before I go over it and deepen it with my, what is that I use? The Juvia's Place bronzer palette. So now to bring out my cheekbones just a little bit, I'm going to go in and just highlight under them with the Beauty Bakery Almond Setting Powder. And this one's a little bit more, neutral and deep. So I'm just going under there and just highlighting, kind of carving out my cheekbones so they can, be shapopping like Naomi Campbell. Now, you guys know I am going in with my OPV blush palette, and we're going to blush these cheeks, okay? Every time I think about this blush palette, I think of that Ja Rule song where he's like, where would I be without my baby? That is how I feel about my damn blush palette, okay? Where would I be without you? Are you Ellie? To this day, I never knew that they were saying "Are you Ellie?" I thought they were saying, "Are you ready?" But portion right here, we are almost finished. So if you've made it here, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Make sure you guys like it. But anyway, this is the Juvia's Place. I believe this is called the Brownie. Yeah, Carisha Brownlee. That's how I remember the name of it. But this is the Brownie pencil, and I'm just using this to line my lips. Now, I did go over this with just like a smidget of black. Not a lot, honey. Don't go like we in the 90s. That's not the look that I was going for. I don't know if that's the look you're going for. If it is, I'm okay with it. Just not the look I was going for. But I am going in and I'm just applying that. Then from there, I'm going to apply my Juvia's Place lip gloss. This lip gloss is a bomb. It's like a liquid lipstick, but it ain't matte. You know what I'm saying? Like it's super pigmented, so it gives you like the lipstick feel. And this is in the shade, I want to say, y'all don't give me Toloyan. Let me look it up and I'm going to let y'all know. Okay, so I'm brushing off all of the excess and just kind of patting that into my face in a nice patting motion. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and set with my Maybelline setting powder. Y'all almost picked up the Makeup Revolution setting powder yesterday. Not setting powder, I'm sorry, setting spray. And I was like, you bet not all the shit you got here at your house. You better go find it. I told you I done lost my Maven setting spray. It's around here somewhere. I just I lose stuff all the time. But anyway, once again, make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Bye.